Hey Vocab Explorers! It's your friend Aileen, spinning words and fun all the way. So don't forget to tap that subscribe button before it spins away too. Because today's word is a super funny and it's not even a person. Lazy Susan. Now you might be thinking, who is this Susan and why is she so lazy? Well, guess what? Lazy Susan isn't a person at all. It's a round spinning tray that sits on your table. You can put food, sauces or snacks on it and just spin it around so everyone can reach it. Wow! So instead of everyone shouting, pass the ketchup or hey, I want those cookies, you could just give Lazy Susan a gentle swirl and ta-da! Everything comes to you like magic. Now let's see how we can use it in a sentence. We kept all our snacks on the Lazy Susan so everyone could share it easily. Or Grandma's jam jars look so cute on her Lazy Susan. So remember friends, Lazy Susan may be called lazy, but she actually helps everyone work less.
Genius.
Now that's clever. That's all for today. See you next time only on Vocab with Aileen. But before you go, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Vocab with Aileen, where words spin, sparkle and come to life. Bye!